This is Daakar Puskur. I'm from Dallas Venture Capital. I'm founder and managing director of Dallas Venture Capital. We are a $160 million venture fund based in Dallas and also Hyderabad. We invest mainly in technology companies, what we call a B2B enterprise software. These companies at least really have some type of revenue, anywhere $500,000 to $1 million revenue. We invest anywhere $2 to $5 million in these companies. We have close to 35 active companies in the US and also in India. Our office is here in Dallas Center, and also we also have a team here in Hyderabad, in Chennai, and also in the US. So we're happy to be here today at Bauer, and good to see so many entrepreneurs, and especially this Bauer college really totally focused on entrepreneurship is amazing. First time I have seen somebody focused on building a university on entrepreneurship. Thank you everybody, and again looking forward to doing more investments, especially in Hyderabad and also in India. Thank you.
Their milestone at Bauer. 2 days back we just talked about the affiliation with the Skill University, Young India Skills University. After that, what we thought was, why don't we have a course in the venture capital and private equity space? And so we launched this course. So it will be a 4-month program, very rigorous program, where students are going to learn right from how to set up a fund, how to choose a startup, what the startup mindsets are, how to pick the right founders and all of that. And in fact, we are also covering upon the regulations in setting up a fund as well. This is again first of its course. We've been launching first of its courses, and this is completely different because for the past 7 months we've been introducing the courses on the venture building space, but this is purely on the venture capital and private equity space. And we have got many ecosystem partners that have been signed up. In fact, there are a few very established VCs that are going to take up the students from here for their own ventures as an intern or as shadowing their own ventures. And we have also collaborated with Dallas Venture Partners to support some of the startups that are coming out of Bauer, which are in the technology space. And we will also be providing the talent to the firm so that they are finding the right talent through us.
Namaskaram, I'm Srinivas Rao, advisor at Bauer School, ex-CEO of T-Hub. నేను ఇప్పుడు బోవర్ వాళ్ళని ఈ సంస్థను సెటప్ చేశాము. నిన్ననే చూస్తుంటారు మీరు. We launched undergraduate program in partnership with Young India Skills University మొన్ననే. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఈరోజు మన VCP కోర్స్ గురించి ఒక వర్క్షాప్ ఆర్గనైజ్ చేశాము. చాలామంది VCs హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి బయట నుంచి వచ్చి VCలో కెరియర్ ఎట్లా బిల్డ్ చేయాలా, VCలో ఏం ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉంటుంది, ఎట్లా ఎవాల్యుయేట్ చేస్తారు స్టార్టప్స్ని, ఫౌండర్స్ ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్లే బుక్ ఉంటే వాళ్ళు ఎట్లా బిల్డ్ చేయడానికి అవుతుంది, దాని గురించి చర్చ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఈ కోర్స్ 4-month కోర్సు మేము లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాము. అండ్ ఆల్రెడీ చాలా మంచి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది జనాలకి. అంటే జనాలు హూ వాంట్ టు గెట్ ఇన్ టు అ కెరియర్ ఇన్ VC ఇండస్ట్రీ, కొంతమంది వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫీసెస్ మేనేజ్ చేయడానికి వాళ్ళందరూ ఉన్నారు ఈరోజు. సో గుడ్ ఈవెంట్, అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ సపోర్ట్ ఇన్ ద మీడియా.